Alright guys, so today we're going to be showing you how to do E46 coilovers. And okay, step one for the rears, take out your trunk liner and then you will encounter this, which is where your top hat is. And in order to take this off, you will need these. And you kind of just, there is your top hat. Thank you for coming to my video today. Stupid gas line, bruh. The green gas.
Just cut it.
Just cut it. What if I need it in an emergency? I'll just cut the fabric.
No, just cut the gas line. It's safe.
Yes, it is. Previous owner left only one screw. How do I need a flathead.
Your fingernail.
Lay in here. Remove the one screw. I actually don't even know if this is right, yo.
Please tell me you got that camera.
I actually did. And this is how we will reveal.
It's like X hatching.
Like, genuinely, why does this even exist, bro?
I think it's an insulation or something.
This fitment's crazy.
Bruh!
Yo.
Oh my god. This is definitely too low.
Oh my. It was hard though. Chill. This is crazy.
What is that? What is it like?
Oh, it's just a tire.
It's like barely moving up. Oh my god. Okay, that's good. That's good. I don't think I'll
This is actually really good.
That's actually crazy.
No, this is really good. This is so cool. This is so
I'll
cool.
probably rub a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's not like it was last
Yeah.
time.
It's not terrible.
Yeah.
Okay, so I cut the whole inner fender, and then that's why there's a bunch of seam sealer in there, because that's all bare metal, and I did not want that to rust, so use seam sealer all around, so that doesn't rust. I did a terrible job here, but like you can't really see from the outside, so it doesn't really matter. And then pulled out the fender a little bit, just so I can clear the wheels. And that's pretty much all I did all day. And I spent the whole day like running around getting the tools I needed for this. And we're gonna finish the fronts and then cut the other side next week because it's about to be nighttime. Don't want to disturb the neighbors. And I have work for the rest of the week. So yeah, that's that.
Alright, so fast forward. We got the rear coils in. Alif managed to remove the seam seal and roll. You did roll the left one, right?
Yeah.
Roll the left one. Unfortunately, we're gonna do the right one later. That's what it's looking like right now. We got both of the original struts out, and we're currently in progress of replacing the springs for the new coilovers. As you can see, we're gonna be putting on the springs here. And
Oh no, I'm not doing that, bro.
are you not doing that?
Hell no, bro. Too much time, bro. I gotta work tomorrow. 20Ks.
Oh, these 20Ks?
These were supposed to be for the E90. They're 20Ks, but I'm not gonna run 20Ks in the front because
Boring.
yeah.
Peak fitment. That's so tough. You literally fended a lip. That's the best.
Yeah, in the front, not in the back.
Yeah, not in the back. Well, we'll figure that out.
Damn, that's stupid though.
This is crazy. All right, gotta take these off, put on the end links, and then after that we should be good to go.
Damn, I feel like I'm gonna rub.
You definitely will, but I think you're fine.
Okay. If you don't want to rub, simply, okay, now to 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There we go. Now we will not rub.
Max stiff. Peak fitment. It's actually really good. Once you lower the rears after rolling them, I think it's gonna be mid.
Oh, you haven't rolled it. I mean,
He did the left one, not the right. But other than that, oh man, it's actually so good. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yo, that slides so easily. Dude, 205s is like literally butter.
I know. Actually, like on snow.
Slide there. Okay, so fast forward. The coils are in. He's been driving it for a few days. Now he's just putting on the shock tower reinforcement.
Trash. Garbage. Thank you for everything. Perfect. Sorry, guys.
Whoa! Yo, that's crazy. Yo! Wait, can I record it from outside?
Yeah, I don't want to do it again. I don't like the spot. Okay.
Look at this road, Marley.
I have too much grip.
Oh, that was crazy. Yo, that slid so easily.
Yeah, it was hard to get it to break traction though. Because it's like hot out today too.
Yeah.
Okay. Here's your casa.
E39.
36 ampere.
E39. Alright guys, as you see, coilovers are done from bumpers off, which you'll see why next week. But how's life since lowered car?
It's good. Car's been really reliable. I just got the subframe reinforced and new poly bushings from RevShift, and the car feels really a lot better now. Right now I'm just putting the Style 40s in the front because I got some Style 68s for the rears.
Money man right here. This guy has so many wheels, so many
I actually got it for a really
tires.
good deal. I got it for full set for $200 and they're clean still.
It's the rich man right here.
Great. Insane still.
But it's still. I think the Style 40s look better in the front. Look
Yeah.
really good.
And like I just couldn't fit them. They were just rubbing so much in the rear. I kind of hated it, and I didn't want to roll my fender out anymore because I'm like lazy. But yeah, stocks in the back right now.
Yeah, honestly, I think it rides better than his Raceland coilovers that were on the E90.
Yeah, I mean it's just because like Maxpeedingrods like have more adjustability, so they're definitely more comfortable. I don't know if they're gonna last as long, but you know they're like $300, so it's really not that expensive to replace them. And yeah, so up next we have I'm getting a shorter diff.
Oh yeah.
I'm getting a 346.
Oh yeah.
Me and Rico are gonna try to throw that in the car by ourselves and try not to die.
DIY.
And then
Gonna be a crazy video, guys. Watch how to replace a diff in one day.
it will, bro, trust. It'll be easy. And then you know, got a new coolant reservoir cap.
But yeah,
Mods.
stay tuned for next week's episode because you guys are gonna see him drift at Capitol Raceway. It's very nice.
We're going again this Saturday.
Yeah, but the video going on next week is the one we did before. Anyways.
Oh, and I got a race spoiler.
Yep.
I just need to
But it'll explain why the front bumper's off. But yeah, that's pretty much it.
Alright. Signing off of the YouTube channel.
Don't forget, nothing's impossible.
Don't forget nothing. No, don't forget nothing.
I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace out.